There's a bearing inside here that's making a noise. So when this spins, when the car's running, it's running on that bearing. There's one back here and one in the front to support the shaft. And one of the bearings is gone. If you look at the car, you see right there, you see how there's rust right there? That indicates that it's on its way out.
What's a consequence of not changing it?
This might seize up and the belt rubber will melt onto this and then you might lose your belt. This belt ultimately drives your water pump, your air conditioning. Air conditioning is not that bad, but if you lose your water pump, now the car could overheat.